Hey fans out there, I'm back. It's Bobby from Bobby Jamaican Cooking Show. I've been away for a little while, right? Because I was busy with my photography, right? Because I do photography too, I do all different kind of photography. I teach photography and all that stuff. But doing this cooking is my passion too, right? So today it's my first time back for about 2.5 years, okay? So guess what? I am gonna use a smoker. I have a new smoker. So this is the smoker I have, a new smoker I bought. So this is my first time gonna smoke some meat. And so today, so you gotta bear with me. Don't criticize me, just put your comment below and then you can talk to me, okay? This is my first time smoking. So hey, don't be hard on me. You big smokers out there, don't be hard on me. This is my first time smoking. If you want to challenge me with some Jamaican cooking, then that's a different story. But anyway, so today I'm gonna go slowly by my first smoking I'm gonna do is some smoke. I'm gonna do some smoked turkey, turkey thigh, right? So let me show you something. So this is the smoked turkey thigh, if you want to see it, right? This is what I'm gonna do today in my new smoker, right? Okay. So what I did this morning, I got up and I seasoned it, but I'm smoking it different. This is gonna be jerk smoking, jerk. I'm gonna jerk it and then smoke it at the same time, right? So it's gonna have that little bit of peppery. And guess what? Let me just get over here and show you something. Yeah, I use one of my favorite jerk, which is Grace jerk seasoning. And this one is, I think this one is kind of mild, right? I didn't use the peppery one. So this is jerk seasoning, okay? So I use a jerk seasoning to put on it and I season it, put it a while. And then what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna light my smoker, the new smoker. So like I said, hey, take your time with me. Don't criticize me because this is my first time, okay? So I'm gonna light my smoker, brand new smoker. I'll show it to you. I'm gonna light it. Guess what? I purchased this smoker probably about 4 months ago or 5 months and I haven't used it yet. So today is the first time I'm gonna use it. So don't criticize us, like I said, okay? So I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna light the smoker, let it warm up to a certain temperature. I think I'm gonna put 225 because I guess this is gonna take about 2 hours to cook, okay? So follow me, and if you have any question, just email me or send or subscribe to my channel, and then you can ask me question, okay? All right? Always remember to have some bleach water on the side to wash your hands because I was handling the turkey, and this is poultry, right? So I always have my bleach water in hand. So I usually, wash it with some bleach water, my hands, and with some soap, okay? And I wash my hands because I don't want someone else poisoning, right? I don't want nobody getting poisoned. So I wash my hands, and my hands must always be clean, okay? All right? So